In today's video, I'll show you the three most effective fixes to reduce lag, remove stutter, and boost FPS in Cricket 26. These are the same optimization recommended by official game supporter. Let's get started. First, you need to update your graphics card driver. If you are using NVIDIA, then open the NVIDIA app and go to drivers tab and select check for updates. And if you have any available update, update it. New drivers fix crashes, shutter, shader issues, and boost performance. Go to settings and select the settings and select general settings and go to graphics. Depth of field set to disabled. Bloom set to low. Light flares set to low. Theme set to any theme you want. Full screen display selection, turn it on. And resolution set to 1280 into 720. This is recommended for weak GPUs. Shadows set to low. Character details set to low. Grass set to low. Sky set to low. Scroll down. Lighting set to low. Anti-aliasing set to FXWA. Crowd quality set to low. Crowd cap set to low. Ambient acquisition set to disabled. Full screen set this to full screen. Exclusive. VSync turn it off. Just by uncheck it. Frame rate set to 60. Auto letterboxing. Just uncheck it and disable. Now changes, just press the escape key and the changes will be saved. Restart your PC so that the changes will take effect. Windows often limits CPU and GPU speed on default settings. To boost it, go to search menu and type choose a power plan. Click on open it and expand this show additional plans and select this to high performance. This prevents CPU throttling, stop micro-stutter and boost FPS. And that's it. These three fixes gives the biggest FPS boost in Cricket 26 without any advanced tweaks. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.